Hey guys, welcome to Gallup Gardens, and we are out on the homestead today. And if you take a look, we are going to do some pretty awesome stuff. We got some big changes coming up, and I want to get some before and after for you.
Baker. Hey Dad.
So we got a gentleman coming out with a tree clearing service, and what he is going to do is he's going to take all of this underbrush out. See this big, beautiful, crazy looking grapevine though? I asked him to leave it to see if he can, and hopefully he will. But all this underbrush and all this piled up brush is going to, he's got some kind of stump grinding attachment on a skid steer, and he's going to roll through and he's going to clean up underneath all these blackjacks, get it to where I can mow it again, get it to looking real beautiful.
All right, guys. Hey, this is the after, right? When we first started, you saw how grown up this was. Came in here, he cleared all of this out. Here, come on. Here, come here, Sterling. So these were big stumps. There's a big stump. And he took all of this stuff right here out. I had him leave the grapevine because I wanted the kids to be able to play on it or swing or something like that. And then all this was brush. He left that ponderosa pine. Oh, where's your shoe?
Another thing coming out is this row of cedar trees that you see before you. That's going to be ground all the way down to the ground. You know, it's been nice to catch the dust and whatnot, but they just spread and they drink so much water. They drain the water table. They're bad for the environment. They're fire hazards, all kinds of stuff. So those guys are coming out.
And so he left the ponderosa pine over there. Took half of the cedars out. I'm going to take the rest of them out and probably build a pergola or something like that. But you can see where he cleared out from underneath these 3 blackjacks. All of this was brush. And all along the fence row here was brush. He left the hardwoods in. So Brian did an awesome job. Here's a little deer track.
Yeah, I'm a fall.
You almost fell. And then if you look in there, he's got a little walking path in there. We ground that down. So, yeah, let's go look at the rest of it.
Okay.
So right here, we have quite a bit of trash. We plan to bury that or do something with it. I don't know what. This tree we're going to grind up. And then right over here, let me zoom out a little bit. There we go. We're going to take out all the softwoods, leave 1 or 2 hardwoods, clean this area, and this is going to be where the sheds go. So we've got this, oh, what is this thing here? Grain bin. And then right next to the grain bin and right next to it and right next to it, there's going to be about 3 sheds for the garden. So this right here, it's kind of hard to see, but he cleared out all of this. And what we're going to do is clean this mess up, and then we're going to move the little shop buildings down here. Pour a little pad, and move 2 to 3 of those little sheds down here. And those will be our garden sheds. This area right here is the garden area. This is where I solarized that Johnson grass. And this thing is about to be a mountain of wood chips. In this little area here, Madison wants to kind of make a shade garden / butterfly garden, something like that. So this is what's going to be the backyard, and he cleared all that little stuff out, and kind of right straight that way is where the pond will be. So the idea is that when we're looking off the back porch here, we can see the pond.
Whoa, look at that bug.